Hello everyone, welcome to Off Campus. In this lecture, we are going to see some important problems based on that shifting theorems and scaling properties of Laplace transform. First, we will see the problems based on first shifting theorem. We know that first shifting theorem. If you not watch that previous video, I will give you the link in the description box. You will refer that video. That will be helpful. Problems based on first shifting theorem. We know that first shifting theorem is Laplace transform of e power minus at f of t is equal to f of s plus a. In place of a, we have to replace into s plus a. For positive sign, similarly, Laplace transform of e power at f of t is equal to f of s minus a. Then let's solve the problem. Laplace transform of e power minus t sin 3t. This is related to first shifting theorem. Let's see how to solve this problem. We know that Laplace transform of e power minus t can be written as Laplace transform of sin 3t at s is equal to s plus 1. Here constant a is 1 here, so replace s into s plus 1. We know that Laplace transform of sin at is equal to a divided by s squared plus a squared. In place of here a in place of a is equal to 3 here. So apply this formula over here. A divided by 3 divided by s squared divided by 3 squared, we get 9 at s is equal to s plus 1. Don't forget this because it is multiplied by that exponential time function e power minus t. So 3 divided by, in place of s, replace s plus 1 the whole square plus 9 is the correct answer for this. Let's see another problem for this. Laplace transform of e power minus 3t cos square t. Simplify this one. Laplace transform of, it is multiplied by e power minus 3t. So Laplace transform of cos square t at s is equal to s plus 3 here, because here minus sign here, so replace s to s plus 3 here. We know that trigonometrical formula for cos square t get 1 plus cos 2t divided by t. 1 plus cos 2t divided by 2. So apply this formula here. What we will get? Laplace transform of 1 plus cos 2t divided by 2 at s is equal to s plus 3. Here take 1 by 2 outside. Laplace transform of 1 plus Laplace transform of cos 2t. At s is equal to s plus 3 here. S is equal to s plus 3 here. This one, Laplace transform of 1, what we will get? 1 by s here plus cos 2t. We know the formula for Laplace transform of cos at is equal to s divided by s squared plus a squared. Similarly, cos 2t s divided by s squared plus a squared. Here 2 squared, what will get? 4. S tends to replace s to s plus 3 here. So 1 divided by s plus 3 plus s plus 3. In place of s, replace s to s plus 3. S plus 3 divided by s plus 3 the whole square plus 4. So this is the answer for this problem. Then coming to the next problem, Laplace transform of cos h at into cos AT. We know that formula for cos HAT is e power AT plus e power minus AT divided by 2 cos AT here. Multiply cos AT into this function, what will get? E power AT cos AT plus e power minus AT cos AT whole divided by 2. Take that constant outside, half Laplace transform of e power AT cos AT plus Laplace transform of e power minus AT cos AT. What we will get? We know that shifting property, Laplace transform of e power AT cos AT is equal to half into cos AT. What we will get? S divided by s square plus a square, here multiplied by e power AT. So in place of s we have to replace s to s minus a. So s minus a divided by s minus a the whole square plus a square. Similarly, s here e multiplied by e power minus AT. So replace s to s plus a here. S plus a divided by s plus a the whole square plus a square. This is the answer for this problem. Let's see problems based on second shifting theorem. If Laplace transform of f of t is equal to f of s, then g of t is equal to f of t minus s. Some time delay given here. What we will get? Laplace transform of g of t is equal to e power minus as f of s. In case of coming problems, here what we will get? Laplace transform of f of t is equal to cos of t minus 2 pi by 3 for t greater than 2 pi by 3, 0 for t less than 2 pi by 3. Let's see how to solve this problem. We know that some time delay is given here. So Laplace transform of cos t, what we will get? S divided by s square plus 1 here. Know that Laplace transform of cos AT is equal to s divided by s square plus a square. Here a is equal to 1. So substitute 1 in place of a here. So s divided by s square plus 1 we will get for Laplace transform of cos t. We are asked to find out for cos of t minus 2 pi by 3. Some delay is given. So by using that second shifting theorem, in case of what is a here, some delay e power minus as into f of s here. E power minus as here, a is equal to 2 pi by 3 here. So substitute e power minus 2 pi by 3 into s f of s, what we got? S divided by s square plus 1. So this is the answer for this problem. Let's see some more problems. If f of t is equal to t minus 2 the whole squared for t greater than 2, 0 for 0 to 0 less than t less than 2. In between 0 to 2 the function will be 0 for t minus 2 the whole square for t greater than 0. We have to find out the Laplace transform for this function using the shifting property, because some delay given t minus 2 the whole square, some delay here. So let's see how to solve this problem. We know that Laplace transform of t power n, what we will get? N factorial divided by n s power n plus 1 here. Similarly, Laplace transform of t squared. Here t squared what we will get? 2 factorial divided by s power 2 plus 1 s cube. 2 factorial is 2 2 divided by s cube. S cube we will get. Here some delay given, no. So how to use that shifting property here? E power minus as into that function f of s, where a is equal to 2 here. A is equal to 2 here. Substitute a in place of substitute 2 in place of a. We will get e power minus 2s into 2 e power minus 2s divided by s cube here. This is the solution for this problem. Let's see one more problem on this second shifting property. Laplace transform of f of t is going to find out. We are going to find out Laplace transform of f of t. F of t function is given as sine of t minus pi by 6 for t greater than pi by 6, 0 for t less than pi by 6. Let's see how to solve this problem. We know that Laplace transform of sine t is equal to 1 divided by, here a is 1 here, s squared plus 1 squared will get 1. This is the f of s function. Some delay is given. For delay what we will get? E power minus, e power minus as into 1 divided by s squared plus 1 here, where a is equal to pi by 6 here. So e power minus pi by 6 into s divided by s square plus 1. This is the solution for this problem. Using shifting property, we have solved 3 problems here. Just go through this. Next, we are going to see problems based on the change of scale property. We know that change of scale property, if Laplace transform of f of t is equal to f of s, then Laplace transform of f of at, this function f of t function is multiplied by any constant, what we will get? 1 by a f of s by a. So based on this, we will solve 2 problems here. First problem, if Laplace transform of f of t is equal to s cube minus s plus 1 divided by 3s plus 1 the whole squared into s by 3 minus 2, find Laplace transform of f of 3t. Let's see how to solve this problem. Solution. Here a is 3 here. So f of s is equal to given s cube minus s plus 1 divided by 3s plus 1 the whole square into s by 3 minus 2. So applying this property, in place of s we have to replace into s by 3. s to replace s by 3. Here 1 by a, so here a is 3 here, 1 by 3 into, in place of s we are going to replace into s by 3. s by 3 whole cube minus s by 3 plus 1 divided by 3s plus 1 3s by 3 plus 1 the whole square plus s by 3 divided by 3 minus 2 . We are going to simplify into further. What we will get? 1 by 3 s cube by 3 cube, what we will get? 27 minus s by 3 plus 1. Here 3 get cancelled. This 3 will come over here denominator. So 3 cross 3, what we will get? S by 9. Here s plus 1 the whole squared minus, multiplied by s by 9 minus 2 here. We'll solve further. So s cube 1 by 3 here, 1 by 3, take LCM over here, 27 in the 1 by 3, 27 s cube minus 3, 9 times 9 into s plus 27 divided by that denominator term. I just simply write as denominator. Here multiply 1 by 3, 3 into 27, what we get? 1 by 81. 1 by 81 into s cube minus 9s plus 27 here divided by denominator term s plus 1 the whole squared minus, multiplied by, take LCM here, s minus 18, s minus 18, this denominator term, so it will go to the numerator, so it will get cancelled, 9 terms, so 1 by 9 into s cube minus 9s plus 27 divided by s plus 1 the whole squared into s minus 18. Depends upon the answer given in the options, we can simplify further when doing exams. Some other problem. If Laplace transform of f of t is equal to s square minus s plus 1 divided by 2s plus 1 the whole square into s minus 1, then Laplace transform of f of 2t equal to what? We have to find out Laplace transform of f of 2t. This based on, we know that, let's see how to solve the problem. Here a is 2 here, so Laplace transform of f of 2t is equal to 1 by 2 into, in place of s we have to replace by s by 2, s by 2 the whole squared minus s by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 into s by 2 plus 1 the whole squared into s by 2 minus 1 here. Let's simplify into further. 1 by 2 s squared by 4 minus s by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 gets cancelled, s plus 1 the whole squared, by taking LCM s minus 2 divided by 2 here, here 2 gets cancelled, what we will get, taking LCM on numerator, 4 s squared minus 2s plus 4 divided by s plus 1 the whole squared into s minus 2. We can write it as 1 by 4 times of s squared minus 2s plus 4 divided by s plus 1 the whole square into s minus 2 is the answer for this question. These are the problems solved based on the change of scale property. In this lecture we have seen 3 properties and problems solved based on these 3 properties. Please practice more and more problems, then only we will get clarity about that. If you like this video, subscribe our channel Off Campus and support us. Click on the bell icon. You will receive notifications. Thank you.